All right, good day. I'm Dean Hawkins. I am the principal of West Coulee Station Elementary School, and today we're going to take a tour of this beautiful building. So today I'm going to take you through West Coulee Station. If we look here, this is the main common area. This is going to be called the Den. This is where we'll do lunches, we'll hang out for special occasions, we'll do some minor assemblies. Some of our pride assemblies will be here. And then we're going to walk over here and show you the grand staircase. So if you look here, this takes us up to the Learning Commons, where we go up, and this is where the kids will sit at lunch. They'll also have an opportunity to sit here during some small performances that we have and during our pride assemblies. Over here we have the maker space room. So if we come in here, this is where we have some ping pong. We have our 3D printing. We also have a lot of the stuff, the jiggamer rigs and things like that we're going to be building and making things with SIDS. So kind of like a little shop for kids in elementary school. Then we're going to go this way. You'll see over there, that's the main office. Here's our lunch tables right here. That's where we'll be putting these out at lunch so that all of our school can eat lunch together. We'll move in here. This is our staff room. This is where the staff get to hang out, and you'll see through the wonderful natural light that's our playground being built right there. So we're going to head back. And we're going to go down here where we got the grade 1, 2s, and 4s. We're going to be walking right by our sensory rooms. So we have 2 sensory rooms here. There's just construction, so I can't take you in there. But I can show you at quite an angle here. We've got an active sensory room and a calm sensory room. On the other side of us here, we have the YMCA program that's going to be working with our kindergarten. So that's in this room here. And then we have another classroom here, which will be a grade 1, 2 classroom. Now we're going to go down to the grade 1, 2, 4 hallway. We've got some storage rooms here. We've got our grade 1, 2 entrances that are right here. So that's where the grade 1, 2s will come in. And the grade 3s will also come in this door here. Now if we come over here, these are our grade 1 classrooms. I'm going to take you through one of these classrooms and show you how they join up. So we have 3 classrooms here that all join together. And so I'm going to just take you through one classroom, show you how they join, and then we'll take you down the hallway and show you the gym. So this is a grade 1 classroom that joins with 2 other grade 1 classes. Over here is Mrs. Craven. And all the grade 1s can join together, so they can work together and collaborate and do some things with their kids that are pretty special. So that's what our classes look like for grade 1, 2, and 4. You'll see we've got some Cub branding along some of our hallway here, which is pretty awesome. We're moving in here to the grade 2 part of our hallway. I won't show you our washrooms. We did but they're there, and they're really nice. But I am going to take you to the gym, and I'm going to show you how the grade 1, 2s, and 4s make their way to our den, which is our atrium. So they come down this hallway here. They'll come over here. And again, you'll see our sign, which is called the Pride. And you'll see it behind me here. We have these everywhere we go, just for to show our students what we believe in. and to make sure they understand that it's important to follow some of our mission and vision that we have for our school. I'm going to show you here, takes us to the main common area, which is the den. And if I look here beside me, you'll see this is our servery where we do our hot lunches, breakfast program, and some of our staff lunches that we do on PL days. So pretty cool areas here. Pretty strong on character education. So when we develop the pride, patience, respect, integrity, determination, empathy, very key words that kids need to know and that we want to celebrate. I'm going to show you here, we got an elevator here. This is the elevator that takes us to our second floor. We do have a student that needs wheelchair accessible, and so thanks that we have this for that. All right, taking you over here, we're going to enter our gym and show you how lucky we are to have such a great gym. Come on in. All right, as we enter our gym, you'll see Kev here working away. This is one of our caretakers. He's a great man here. All right, we're moving into our gym. This is where we're pretty fortunate. So this is a gym that will seat 300 people on our bleacher behind me here. We also have 600 chairs so we can host about 900 to 1,000 people for our Christmas concerts and special events, Remembrance Day assemblies and things like that. You'll see our video wall behind us, and then a provincially rated gym, so our high schools are already accessing this. We've got Chinook in here for a tournament already. So we're going to take you back out. We're going to be passing our equipment room here, our phys ed equipment room. And this is it right here behind us. We also have a chair storage room and a area to put our tables. So we're going to make our way upstairs. We are now at the West Coulee Station Art Science Room. So you'll notice here we have two separate areas. There's an area for students in grades 3 to 5 and an area of K to 2. So that means that each class can come up here. They'll be able to sit at some tables, do some work, or they can sit on the floor as well. But they can either come in here and book the room for art or science. So now we're going to go to the Learning Commons. So follow me. All right, so we're moving away from our grade 3 and 5 hallway into the area that we call the Learning Commons. And you'll see as we move into the Learning Commons, this is a pretty special place. So, got a lot of natural light, got a nice circulation desk here, with lots of soft seating for the kids, and areas, lots of different areas where the kids can come and be excited about reading. You look over here. Hi, Sarah. Say hi. This is Sarah Baker. She's our Learning Commons facilitator. All of these right here, these windows open up and they go down into our main atrium, the den. So follow me. We'll go there. We'll show you a picture of what it looks like and what the kids are going to get to see every day. So if you come over here, I'll jump down so you can see. This is the area that the kids get to look down on when you are at West Coulee Station. And that's a tour of our school.